Hey, what's going on? My name is Mr. Shannon Robinson, co-founder of the VIP section, and in today's video, it's video number 10 in our 12 ways to achieve your goals, and today we're going to touch on repeating yourself. Now, I didn't really know what else to title it other than repeating yourself, because repeating yourself can be very frustrating, and it can be a struggle. We've all been there. If you haven't experienced that yet, you will. If you start growing an organization, you're going to find yourself repeating like the small things over and over and over again. And it's very important that you really spend time on small significant details, simply because it's doing a number of things. One is that it's helping you grow. You're stretching your level of patience. If your patience was very narrow, you're starting to learn how to be more and more patient, because the learning curve of other people is not the same as yours. And it's going to take understanding. It's going to have to take a better attitude. It's going to have to take, you getting along with other people for you to be able to welcome, questions, and be able to welcome, people that really don't see the picture the way you see it. So it's real important for you when we're talking about training, if you could, leverage that with, something else, or leverage that level of training with, a system, or, something in place that, or another person that can help you with explaining, certain processes to see results in your opportunity or in business building. So that level of understanding, that level of explaining yourself is very critical. It's very important, and you want to make sure that you are exercising that patience and exercising that understanding, that not everybody can see it like you do. And I want to say that myself personally, that is an area that I had to work on. When I was starting my business and started growing on, I had to explain certain things and certain details, and then it got to a point where I was able to start shooting videos. Now my partner and I, we simply shoot videos in much more detail, as opposed to simply trying to verbally explain things over and over again. We shoot a number of videos, and we implement them into our training site, so that when individuals are going through the site and they're looking to, I need a question answered about this aspect of building my business, there is a video specifically tailored to that particular area, because we know the questions that we're going to have relating to that. So it's real important for you to find some type of way where you're able to communicate effectively, where the person can still get it. And if they didn't get it the first time, it is a system in place where they can get that information again and again and again and again, rather than you repeating yourself over and over and over and over and over again, because I know that can be very frustrating, and it can be very time consuming, especially when you're trying to move forward and you're bringing people on board, and there are questions that are that might be basic in nature, but no question is a bad question, as long as that you have an answer in place that can help them move from level 1 to level 2 to level 3, and so on and so forth. All right, so you want to make sure that once you're making it up to the top, that you're still reaching back and helping people get back on board and get up there with you. All right, Mr. Shannon Robinson, co-founder of the VIP section. See you in the next video, and if I don't see you in training, I'll see you.